Most people assume that if something goes wrong with an organ in your body, medicine can just fix it or replace it. Kidneys can be transplanted. Hearts, livers, pancreas can be transplanted. But there is one organ that medicine cannot replace, and that is your bladder. And that changes everything about how we think about those early urinary symptoms that we see with men struggling with BPH, prostatic bladder obstruction. Because when men start to have problems urinating, the conversation focuses on the prostate. But the real issue is really about what is going on with your bladder. In this episode of BPH 360, I want to just take you on a tour to show you how amazing your bladder is and why currently it is not transplantable. You only get one, you can't replace it, so let's take care of it. And why protecting it early is probably one of the most important decisions a man can make in his lifetime. If bladder health matters to you, this episode may change the way you see urinary symptoms forever. New episode coming this Friday for BPH